Okay guys, I'm going to try to do this. It's really windy out, and just found out my camera doesn't have an audio outlet, which I do have a microphone, but what good does it do if you don't have an outlet? This is a project I've worked on for quite a while. It's a pair of GATLIN guns I made for a show motorcycle, and the story is it took a while to make these because I had to make a couple of design changes and modifications and other stuff like that to make them work. And the original guy who wanted it, of course, he backed out of the project. And then I go to the guy who commissioned me to make these, and he backed out of the project. So I'm going to put these damn things up for sale, and the hell of customizing stuff for people. People always do stupid crap. And these were designed for a motorcycle. They were going to sit on top of some ammo boxes. You see I got them sitting on some bricks. And that way, the ammo boxes were going to use as saddlebags, basically, for the motorcycle. At first, I was going to make these the gun parts bolt-on to where it did not rotate, but no, they wouldn't have it. They had to have it where they would rotate, and that was a big problem to figure that stuff out. I was building these also while I was in welding class, and I kept having to go bigger and bigger and bigger on the rod on the inside right there. These boxes are electrical boxes, and this is conduit with looks like 14 or 12 gauge right there. Did a little TIG welding. That's where I was learning. Had a buddy, Alex Brown. He helped out on putting them together. I had these laser cut. I kept trying to make these myself, and I could not get one to match the other, to that match the other, so I ended up having them laser cut, and that way they were all perfect and they lined up. This is conduit. It's been blued. Tried to keep that as light as possible. These boxes here are 16. They're pretty daggum thick. 14 gauge. 14 or 16, something like that. Can't really tell from here. But I notched a bit to where these 50 cal bullets would go into. Now these are not live rounds. These are dummy rounds. They're called snap caps, but they don't have the snaps in the back. And I used a link system to go all the way down. Now if you look closely, there is baling wire that goes behind this piece that I had welded onto the back side, and it's right here. So it makes it really durable. These don't flop around. Like I said, I made it for a motorcycle. That way these would stay in place, and they're not going to flop around. They're not going to go anywhere. And I threw some of these stickers on there to kind of break up the looks of it. Inside here, I tried to leave a gap because this kept hitting this. And I put 2 copper washers inside there, and you put a drop of oil on it, and that gives it a little bit of some movement right there. Now you noticed I drilled holes in these too. And that is, I was hoping that on that motorcycle, when it's going down that highway, the speed, air will go down this and rotate it. That's what I was hoping. It's a little bit too much friction right now, I'm not sure. But on the inside of this box is a water pipe that supports that middle rod, because when it would go into here and go out here, it would curve. And so I put that water pipe to keep it straight, and that helped out on getting this straight. And you can see where it comes out right here. It took a while to do these. What's even worse is the damn people that ask for the project and then they just up and leave. You know, but that's typical bull crap. But anyhow, I'm selling these damn things. I'm done. Just gonna say the heck with it. I laced them a little bit different, but they're still on there pretty good. But you guys are looking at these and you're saying, well, it's simple, anybody could do it. No, they can't. It took me a while to figure. I kept having problems. The turret was the biggest problem. And once I got my calculations down and had them plates made proper, you know, that's what threw it all together and made it look good. This will look good. I took some pictures a little while ago, so I'm gonna, I mean, nobody on YouTube's gonna have a chance to really get a chance to get after this thing. I'm gonna try to see if I can't do it local. If not, I'll put some information on YouTube about, you know, if you want it, because I want rid of them. I got barns full of crap that I need to get rid of, and I'd like to see this on a custom bike, and it would really be neat to piss them guys off that screwed me on this deal. But anyhow, this is what they look like, and I think it'd be neat on a motorcycle. But anyhow, you guys have a good one, and we will catch you on the next video.